This video contains test on 3 exercises. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense forms of the verbs given in brackets. Exercise 2. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense forms of the verbs given in brackets. Exercise 3. Rewrite these sentences in simple future tense. Let us start the test. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense forms of the verbs given in brackets. I always dash the old man to cross the road. Help. He dash English fluently. Speak. She dash my problem. Understand. Water dash in winter. Freeze. They dash down the trees. Or cut. The ship dash in the ocean. Sink. Rani dash for more than 10 hours. Sleep. The moon dash round the earth. Revolve. Bobby dash to see his photograph. Want. You never dash lies. Tell. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense forms of the verbs given in brackets. I dash a film yesterday. See. The guests dash late. Arrive. She dash me your message. Give. Kim dash in the snow. Play. You dash him yesterday evening. Meet. They dash a new motorbike. Buy. We dash all the day. Travel. He dash hot and sticky. Feel. Marconi dash the telephone. Invent. A child suddenly dash across the road. Run. Answers with explanations. Exercise 1. Simple present tense. I always help the old man to cross the road. Help. Explanation. I is a plural subject, so the base form of the verb help is used. He speaks English fluently. Speak. Explanation. He is a singular subject, so the verb speak takes an s to match the subject in simple present tense. She understands my problem. Understand. Explanation. She is a singular subject, so understand takes an s. Water freezes in winter. Freeze. Explanation. Water is a singular subject, so freeze takes an s. They cut down the trees. Or cut. Explanation. They is a plural subject, and cut remains the same in both base and present forms. The ship sinks in the ocean. Sink. Explanation. The ship is a singular subject, so sink takes an s. Rani sleeps for more than 10 hours. Sleep. Explanation. Rani is a singular subject, so sleep takes an s. The moon revolves round the earth. Revolve. Explanation. The moon is a singular subject, so revolve takes an s. Bobby wants to see his photograph. Want. Explanation. Bobby is a singular subject, so want takes an s. You never tell lies. Tell. Explanation. You is treated as a plural subject in English grammar, so tell remains in its base form. Exercise 2. Simple past tense. I saw a film yesterday. See. Explanation. The past tense of see is saw. The guests arrived late. Arrive. Explanation. The past tense of arrive is arrived. She gave me your message. Give. Explanation. The past tense of give is gave. Kim played in the snow. Play. Explanation. The past tense of play is played. You met him yesterday evening. Meet. Explanation. The past tense of meet is met. They bought a new motorbike. Buy. Explanation. The past tense of buy is bought. We traveled all the day. Travel. Explanation. The past tense of travel is travelled or travelled in British English. He felt hot and sticky. Feel. Explanation. The past tense of feel is felt. Marconi invented the telephone. Invent. Explanation. The past tense of invent is invented. A child suddenly ran across the road. Run. Explanation. The past tense of run is ran. Summary of grammar rules. In simple present tense, singular subjects he, she, it take an s or s with the verb, while plural subjects I, we, you, they use the base form. In simple past tense, most verbs add ed, but irregular verbs change form entirely. Example, seesaw, run, ran. Exercise 3. Rewrite these sentences in the simple future tense. 1. He comes to see you on Monday. 2. They played cricket in the field. 3. I slept for more than 10 hours. 4. The students thanked their teachers. 5. We go to his house. 6. Lima drives the car. 7. Sam rides very carefully on the city streets. 8. Mr. Stewart teaches us English. 9. The orchestra played their theme song. 10. The class began at 9 a.m. Answers with explanations. Exercise 3. Rewrite these sentences in the simple future tense. 1. He comes to see you on Monday. Answer. He will come to see you on Monday. Explanation. In the simple future tense, will is added before the base verb come. 2. They played cricket in the field. Answer. They will play cricket in the field. Explanation. Played is in the past tense. To convert it to the future tense, will is added before the base form play. 3. I slept for more than 10 hours. Answer. I shall sleep for more than 10 hours. Explanation. Slept is in the past tense. For the future tense, shall is added before the base verb sleep. 4. The students thanked their teachers. Answer. The students will thank their teachers. Explanation. Thanked is in the past tense. To change it to the future tense, will is added before the base form thank. 5. We go to his house. Answer. We shall go to his house. Explanation. Go is in the present tense. For the future tense, shall is added before the base verb go. 6. Lima drives the car. Answer. Lima will drive the car. Explanation. Drives is in the present tense. In the future tense, will is added before the base verb drive. 7. Sam rides very carefully on the city streets. Answer. Sam will ride very carefully on the city streets. Explanation. Rides is in the present tense. To make it future tense, will is added before the base form ride. 8. Mr. Stewart teaches us English. Answer. Mr. Stewart will teach us English. Explanation. Teaches is in the present tense. In the future tense, will is added before the base form teach. 9. The orchestra played their theme song. Answer. The orchestra will play their theme song. Explanation. Played is in the past tense. To convert it to future tense, will is added before the base verb play. 10. The class began at 9 a.m. Answer. The class will begin at 9 a.m. Explanation. Began is in the past tense. To make it future tense, will is added before the base form begin. Summary of simple future tense rule. Times use will plus base form of the verb to indicate an action that will happen in the future. Times use shall with I and we for the future tense in formal English. Times for all other subjects he, she, it, they, you, etc. use will. Times in modern English, will is more commonly used for all subjects, even in informal contexts. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you understand simple present, past, and future tenses and their practical applications.